I want to tell you one interesting thing before starting today's class. Oh, number is 47. Yes. Half century will give me a lot of pep to start work. Okay. Rahul and Manimannan are there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You and Raj Kamal, please advise me whenever there is some missing of clarity from my side on anything. I'll be happy to take feedback from you. That will give real help to all your class. Sometimes teacher may be talking nonsense. Somebody has to tell, sir, this is, don't say nonsense. You say, sir, this is not making sense. Then the teacher will understand. Politely you have to say, understand, oh, there is something wrong from my side. Because the teacher may not do knowingly, it happens unknowingly. So that correction you have to do with obedience and care. Then you will become leader. Already I have seen 2 leaders this morning. Manivannan and Rahul sent me the assignment on time. Nicely. I appreciate, applaud, claps to them. They are the leaders. But I'm damn sure you all are leaders. All 105 are leaders as per me. Please display that leadership. Now the fans number is 49. Wonderful. Okay. One less of half century. Okay. I want to share one interesting thing about project which I learned yesterday. Audible? Clear?
Yes, sir. It is audible.
Okay. Last evening, I watched a webinar given by one engineer. I forgot his name. Chen, I think. Chen. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. One webinar last evening, 6 to 7 o'clock, arranged by Ishre. Have you heard about Ishre anytime? Ishre? Refrigeration air conditioning people know that agency. Ishre. International Society for Heating and Refrigeration Ventilation. Okay? Related to refrigeration, ventilation, heating, they're the international body, just like Institute of Engineers or any other body, Automotive Society, etc. Okay? So they conducted one webinar, and webinar host was an expert who designed all mechanical systems for Burj Khalifa. You all know Burj Khalifa. Please tell me better whether you know or not.
Yes, sir.
Burj Khalifa, the tallest building as on date in the world, Dubai.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? Okay. He is a mechanical engineer and designer for all the refrigeration, air conditioning, ventilation, heating, plumbing, all water pumps, fire systems, elevators, safety, solar, all mechanical. Okay. So he spoke last evening. I attended that. I received a certificate also for that, attending that. He nicely explained all the key elements of a project. Okay. So next time, whenever I receive a mail from international bodies on such great projects related to mechanical, I'll share with you. Okay, beta? Is this okay? Interested? Okay. So I'll give only assignments of those kind, nothing else. I'll give you something mechanical, internationally renowned, and some webinar. Watch that webinar, write 10 lines and send me. That is assignment. By the end of the semester, you will know at least 10 to 20 internationally renowned mechanical engineering projects thoroughly. When you go for interview, damn sure you will say, my interesting subject is project management. I know 10 great projects of the world, including one Amul, another Burj Khalifa, or some other international project of Kaleshwaram. Getting me? So this is my duty. I'll make it happen. I'll make it interesting. Please attend. 51. One more than half century. Okay. So that was exciting me last evening. PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. What kind of project management skills are required by mechanical engineers? Please take a pic or screenshot. And suppose if I take 40 classes for this semester, we should have at least 80 screenshots. And if somebody has got any difficulty in preparation of exam, look at this 80 screenshot, you will pass damn sure, my guarantee. So I'll ask only those clips which are important from exam point of view, right? Now let us see one by one. technical skills and socio-cultural skills. Means being a mechanical engineer, always don't talk only screw, bolt, nut, machine, gear, oil, etc. But also see, as a mechanical engineer, how you can be a leader, how you can be a leader, like many of the leaders in your class. So for that, you must need general skills like social and cultural. Means what? Technical skills I need not explain. You know thoroughly what is a pinion, what is a gear wheel, what is a worm, what is a clutch, what is a gearbox, what is an engine, what is aircraft, thoroughly what is CAD, CAM, CIM, anything, mechanics based on your interests. But at least you study 30 to 40 different subjects in your BTech and maybe 1 or 2 practical courses seriously learning in the laboratories, or maybe 1 or 2 visits to the factories to see, or 1 or 2 internships you do to learn practically, or 1 or 2 major minor projects to really put your head into it. Irrespective of your major or minor project you do in the final year, during my subject, 6 or 7 people joined in my research team, okay? Because they are mad about research. They are mad people like me, mad scientists like me. For us, that is fine. But all of you will definitely undergo one project as part of project management. Okay? Chapter 6 is a project for you. 5 chapters are meant for learning the fundamentals, technical, socio-cultural skills. Chapter 6 is only doing a small project. Okay? Small project. You all will really enjoy doing that. Whoever are there in my research team, they will feel excellency in their work, no doubt about it. All others also, you will definitely enjoy doing a small project for which I'm going to share one workbook. Okay? A small workbook containing 40 pages, soft copy I'll share. Is there any hissing noise from my background?
No, sir.
No? Okay. So one small workbook containing 42 pages I'll share. There all the content of format are written except a few things where you need to fill a project to be chosen and written as per the format of the lectures. That means during the entire 4 months, please everyone please mute yourself except 3 people. Rahul, Manivannan and Raj Kamal, all others please mute. Okay, yeah, thank you. So part of that project, we will be doing a small workbook assignment, soft copy I will give. Out of 42 pages, you are supposed to fill only 21 pages. Other 21 pages are only your guidelines. Okay? So in 21 pages, half of the page is written for your understanding. Remaining half is to be filled by you. It is a workbook. You all understand what is a workbook. Fine?
Yes.
Understood? Okay. Now let us see technical skills and socio-cultural skills. Technical skills. First foremost thing in the triangle is what? Foremost thing in the triangle, project management triangle. Oh, students number is 56. Oh, I am reaching.
Society.
Scope, sir.
Scope. Scope. What is scope? What is scope? Anyone?
Desired outcome. The range of opportunities.
Desired outcome is the scope actually. Means what specifications we are going to convert into a product. What product we are making. What customer wanted. What we are doing is the scope. Designing of a car gearbox. Designing of some clutch. Making a turbine. Making a small tool for the kitchen. Making a mega project like Kaleshwaram. Or modification of some engine for an aeroplane in Airbus or Boeing or GE. These are the companies who make aeroplane engines. Am I correct? So heroes, mechanical engineers, respond.
Yes, sir.
I am no more a mechanical engineer. Okay. I am like a mixed vegetable curry. Did mechanical engineering in diploma, BTech, then went for chemical engineering, food processing, MBA production, MTech manufacturing, PhD thermal engineering, again working in food processing research. So it is like, mixed bisibelabath in Kannada or Telugu, mixed vegetable curry. Anyway, technical skills are important. In that, the foremost thing is scope. What work we need to do, what to make. Suppose one company, Kia Motors, have set up their factory in India, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Which place?
Yes, sir.
Where is it? Where is it?
Sir, but Kia also is also a brand of Hyundai only, no, sir.
Please answer straight to my question, dear. Very important for you. Where has been it is set up in India, Kia Motors?
One is at Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Wonderful. Enough. All of this class, now 60 people, know that Kia Motors has set up in AP. That is more than enough for a general knowledge question in interviews.
Yes, sir.
During my entire 40 sessions, you will at least learn 40 nice small life lessons, my experiences, at least 40 small interesting stories, 40 small tiny lectures of project management, and at least 40 small skills, at least 40 general knowledge questions. I think at least this 160, at least 5 or 6, you will meet the interview board, will definitely ask, that will fetch you marks in interview. Okay, my purpose is not simply to get a BTech degree for your project management completion, lifelong skills. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then after scope, what is the next work? Production. Production, I need not explain what is production.
Cost.
Production is you convert your idea into,
Sorry, time, sir.
you convert your idea into what?
Product.
Very good. That is called production. Then next one is work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure.
Structure.
That means you are breaking down the scope into small sub-components of the work. Suppose you decide Kia Motors want to run their factory in AP. They will first divide their total works where to make the engine. Their engine plant is not in AP. Engine plant is somewhere else. Their gearbox plant is somewhere else. Their main body and assembling plant is in AP. For example, no.
Anantapur, sir.
Okay, but okay. I mean to say, entire work they don't do at one place. They have several factories across the globe. Some of the important electronic assemblies they do in South Korea. Some of the components they buy from China. Few components they logistic arrangement done in Singapore. Few components they simply buy from Japan. And major assemblies done in AP in India. That means entire project they divide into works. Where what to do. This is called work breakdown. Is it clear what is work breakdown?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you, taking an example of your own works which you do regularly, then you will understand easily what is work breakdown structure. Suppose you have taken up a small project in Nest or TEP or Epix or minor project or any other project, a small project you have taken, or first year the design center, correct? No, you had design also first year.
Yes, sir.
Introduction to
Product
engineer you
design
had, product design studio you had, or any other CAD/CAM laboratory you had. Your teacher must have allotted one small project to you for that particular semester, particular laboratory. What do? You try to identify what is it. Is it mechanical, electrical, electronic, software, design, or combination of these 3 or 4 or 5. Then based on that, you decide whether to fabricate something or simply make a document, simply make a design soft copy, correct now? In case of design, is only soft copy.
Yes.
So, your entire work project, you divide into small pieces. That is called breakdown of your work. It's called work breakdown structure. A detailed lecture will follow later. Okay, at this point of time, you understand only work breakdown. Tell me.
Structure.
Work is what? Is scope and work are different? Bola beta. Is scope and work are different?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, how different? How different? Making of
Is
college.
what we are
Okay, yeah, tell me.
work is what we are doing,
Okay,
whereas scope is what we want to do.
wonderful, wonderful. Applause, claps to this guy. Who is that?
Sai Sunis.
Sai, very good number. Okay, wonderful. So suppose Kaleshwaram project is there, the work is happening, all the engineers will supervise and control, whereas the scope was originally designed by some team. Can you identify who is the team for Kaleshwaram project? Who designed scope? Who designed the scope?
KCR.
KCR will give only vision.
L&T company, sir.
Vision. He will give
Creation
only
department.
vision. Listen clearly. KCR will give only vision. You understand vision, no?
Yes.
What is his vision? Telangana farmers must get water at every corner. It is his vision.
Yes.
Okay, then he will derive mission statements for that. What he will do? He will ask the chief engineers of major irrigation to identify where is the water surplus, identify. This he has done long back, 2014. By the time part of the project was designed and planned by the previous government, KCR took the charge, personal initiation to motivate the entire team of engineers of Telangana. This I proudly say, even though I don't belong to Warangal or Hyderabad, I settled in Mysore. I worked here and there, but I still remember June 2nd, 2014 was my shifting from Haryana to here. That was the formation day. Am I correct? Am I correct? What was the formation day of Telangana?
June 2nd.
2014? That day I was in train traveling from Haryana to Warangal. Okay, I saw his vision. Irrigation is his vision. Engineers, he gave the job of developing scope. Okay, not the work, developing scope. They have studied everywhere. They found so this much surplus water is unnecessarily draining to the salt water of the sea. So we need to preserve here, divert. Then they developed a lot of civil and mechanical system designing to develop the scope. Means how many pipelines, how many canals like Saraswati. No, one of them is Saraswati, no? I hope so. One of the pump house. Can you tell me pump house names of Kaleshwaram project? Nice names they gave.
One Medigadda.
Medigadda, very good.
Kondapochama.
Kondapochama, wonderful. Yes, wonderful.
Sitarama.
Wonderful. And okay, fine. 3 itself is great.
Ranganayaka.
Sorry,
Ranganayaka, sir.
Ranganayaka pump house is there. Okay. There is one goddess name also for one pump house. Okay, fine. It's okay. So, lot of pump houses. They knew clearly what is the datum level Z. You all know fluid mechanics. You all studied, correct? No?
Yes.
What is the ground level? The datum sea level, mean sea level difference from where and where water can flow to where, how to irrigate the maximum acreage, how to understand the dam water reservoir area, which is called catchment area, or they call it as CAD. Have you seen CAD anytime? Don't say computer aided design, I'm talking about irrigation. CAD. Have you seen this CAD name in Warangal? Whenever you travel here and there on the road, any building written CAD. Irrigation and CAD is written on the irrigation buildings. CAD is command area development, okay? Command area is their catchment area. Catchment area is, if suppose I block water near Kaleshwaram, how many hills are there naturally to support as a natural reservoir? How much water can be stored behind it? How much pressure it can generate with what level of water? How many turbines we can install? How many millions of cubes of water per second is flowing? Cusecs, correct no? Correct no? What is Q-sec? How much water is flowing is the Q-sec. Am I correct? Cubic meter per second. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am afraid that I am lost actually. My internet is lost or something wrong. Oh, number is 60. Claps to everyone, Baba. Yesterday it crossed yesterday's number. 61. Oh, something miracle is happening. Wonderful. Rahul and Manivannan, why don't you invite your other friends? Put a message to help me in your personal group. Put a message. Let them join even now. Okay, so they design all that scope. Okay, beta. How many pump houses? How much water? From where to flow? In which season, which area, what crop is harvested? What crop is sowed? What seeds are put? When? They have all the data. From that they design this entire project. That is called scope. Okay, Nana? However, work is allotted to all the contractors, all the engineers. Okay, this particular project is done by, who is the major contractor of Kaleshwaram project?
Harish Rao.
Contractor, beta? No. Contractor. Project management team. Okay?
Mega.
Mega. Wonderful answer. And L&T. Wonderful answer. There are many contractors or subcontracting companies working in the project. Can anyone say what is the total project cost?
1 lakh crores.
Wonderful, beta. Who is that? Who is that?
Rakesh, sir. Rakesh.
Rakesh, you win a prize from me. Okay. Maybe after opening only we can exchange the prizes. And congratulations. Wonderful. 1 lakh crores is the budget for the project. By the time it gets finished, it will cross another 50%. My project management calculations from my past 25 years of experience. Okay. Let it be. Let us spend 1.5 lakh crores to the benefit of the noble cause of the farmers. What do you say?
Yes.
What is your opinion? All of you, you agree with this or not? Let it cross 1.5 lakh crores. Let 1 million more acres flourish with water. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are all citizens, no? You are all citizens. You are paying tax. Maybe from your parents' pocket, but still we are paying tax. Our money is going there. Let us think about it. Let us think positive about it. Let the project go on. Sometime opposition will fire. This is not good, that is not good. It's okay. Such a big project. Engineers will do small mistakes unknowingly. Correct, no?
Some kind of noise is coming.
Beta?
Some kind of noise.
Fan noise only. What else? I want to reduce my sweating level. Till the time Manivannan invents that membrane, I have to sweat. Manivannan, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I thank Manivannan and Rahul. Extremely thankful. The number is 62 now. Last attendance. Keep it up, beta. We will invent that membrane so quickly. Myself and Manivannan are committed to that. At any cost we will make. And that will come into the market. And the names would be written as Ramesh Babu and Manivannan. It is clear. Manivannan, trust it. Okay? Believe me.
Okay.
We will do. We will do. One more person can join in that project. Manivannan, you choose whom you want. Your decision. Your decision. We'll discuss later.
Yes,
We'll discuss later.
Okay. Okay.
You
Sure,
choose.
sure.
I'm giving that powers. You choose one person who will have frequency with you,
Okay.
intelligence like you, interest like you. Okay. Now let us go to next one. Cost and schedule management. That means we need to control the cost at all the stages. We need to control the schedule. The meaning of schedule is timeline. Okay. Please remember, schedule means agenda, timing, timeline. Whether it is months or days or years, we need to have on the paper, and CEO and managing director will always check this. CCR will be definitely checking every month, every fortnight, how much we planned, how much we spent, how many more to be bought, how many more acres to be irrigated. His noble vision, no, money will flow automatically. Noble vision, people will achieve. Manivannan's interest in research is noble, he will achieve. Rahul's interest is serious. Shruti, is that Hindu? Their interest is very, very serious. They let you damn sure. They need proper mentor, that's all. They need to know where are the tools available. They need to know where are the resources available. Just they need to do hard work. Will happen. Whether that is your BTech, MTech, MSc, job or project or research. So cost, schedule and work. These three must be controlled properly. Everyone please note down again one more time. 1 point. Make running notes. Work, cost and schedule. You all remember this is the words from the triangle. Correct now?
Yes.
Correct? Let me go back. What is that? Time, scope, cost. Correct? We will be like earth. Okay? Earth is moving around the sun. Correct now?
Yes,
Will be roaming around quality. These three will roam around the quality and engineers will be roaming around these three. Okay, beta? Okay. Next one is resource contention. There is a separate lecture for this. I'll explain in detail. That means how you really manage your resources effectively. What resources you got. Okay? Within 6 months of final year, you need to do minor project. Within 6 months of last sem, you need to do major project. You will not be having any new instruments, no new tools, no new wisdom or knowledge. Whatever you acquired in last 3.5 years, you have to apply that. If your luck is good, you will get a nice mentor. Otherwise, you will get a teacher like a poultry farm supervisor. You all remember that story, poultry farm supervisor? Bad teacher story.
No, sir.
sir.
I told this story long back. Okay, anyway, I will not repeat now. Not much time. So, your resources we need to carefully utilize. Suppose you have 100 rupees in the pocket. Don't plan for a dinner with a boyfriend or girlfriend in a big hotel. Okay, you have 100 rupees only in your pocket. Don't plan. Sorry? Sorry? Any feedback? No? Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we need to carefully design critical path, means project scheduling. Scheduling is the timeline, correct? No? Which activity when to do is the schedule. By the end of April 2019, this much percentage should be finished in Kaleshwaram. End of December 2019, this much. End of June, this much. End of December 2020, this much. You know, the government must have planned. But they clearly know from where they need to get the mega size motor for the pump house. Each pump is, how much capacity pump you know? Each pump? Anyone from the class? What is the unit for measuring capacity of the pump? Anyone?
HP. Horsepower. HP.
Horsepower is for the mechanical power of the motor or pump, correct now?
Kilowatts, sir.
Either HP or kilowatt is both same, not much difference. MKS and SI unit. Capacity of the pump.
Or TMC we mean.
GPM, sir.
Sorry?
GPM, gallons per minute.
Wonderful. Congratulations. Good answer. Okay. That is old unit, dear. Old unit. Okay. Convert to new unit. Correct answer.
TMC, sir.
100% correct answer. Okay. What is TMC?
It's for capacity only, no, sir. We'll see.
What is TMC? Expand.
The capacity and storage capacity, I think.
Expand TMC. For a pump, how do you specify capacity?
1000
you're-
cubic
Sir,
feet.
liters per minute, sir.
Let me listen to the first person who is telling correct answer. 1000
Million cubic feet.
million cubic feet. And is it the capacity of a pump? That is the storage capacity of any cubical space. Am I correct?
Okay, sir.
Am I sounding correct?
Yes, sir.
When you say cubic feet, it is storage capacity. TMC is always the reservoir capacity.
Yes.
Okay, my dear children, TMC is the reservoir capacity, not flow capacity. Now you come to flow capacity. It is Q6. Correct, no? Q6. You heard this? One is TMC they use to say reservoir capacity. This many TMC is stored. But when they say this much is flowing, flow is the capacity of a pump. Q6, cubic meter per second. Okay? Suppose a domestic pump in your house, water pumping from the ground floor to the first floor to a tank. How do you define its capacity? For the motor you say, as one of our friends said, HP, wonderful. Kilowatt, wonderful. But when I specifically ask question to mechanical engineers on what the capacity of a pump, you must say the flow rate. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Somebody answer me. Okay. So you define with the gallons per minute, cubic meter per second, or liters per second, or hour, or minute. Okay. So for rivers, reservoir capacity is. Tell me somebody.
TMC.
Wonderful. At least after my class, you will be confident to talk to somebody. When somebody brings a discussion on news. So this many TMC gone, this many Q6 gone. Somebody says you will be clear what is TMC, what is Q6. Okay, beta. Hello. Fine.
Sir.
Rajkamal, my voice is still clear. No background noise.
No, sir.
Sir. No, sir. It's clear.
Today I have learned a new thing. So every day you all must learn a new thing. This morning I have written one patent document along with my friend working in heavy water plant Manuguru on a nuclear fission device. Small thing, not great thing, not great discovery. A small valve to control at high temperature. Small thing, very, very fine. Say small thing, very needle, okay? Not great. So that is today's learning. Rajkamal taught me how to avoid background noise. Another learning from me. What you people are learning daily, you have to think about it. And please learn continuously. Yesterday, at least 9 people sent me the mail ID. I have registered all the mail IDs for the Coursera. Am I correct? Please raise your hands. Click raise hand. Whoever registered yesterday. Khaja Munibuddin. Okay, done. 1. Okay. Others, raise your hand quickly. 376. Okay. Quickly, there should be 9 people. Okay. Whoever sent me the mail ID, I have registered. I have asked the principal's office to give me the mail ID and password so that I do for my children. I don't want to request somebody in the college whether they do or not, I don't know. Long back once they shared with all the students already. Am I correct, Rajkumar?
Yes, sir.
But some missed it. Whoever missed, now take that opportunity. Learn course whichever is easy for you. Whichever is
Easy for us.
easy for you. Don't choose the tough one and cry. Take easy one and laugh. Okay? Choose those works which you can do. Because after finishing of the course, you will get a certificate from an international university which will add to the resume like anything. Okay? Everyone please mute except the 3 leaders. Everyone please mute. Except the three leaders. Leaders identified. I know all 105 are leaders. Okay, 62 students. Wonderful. Critical path management is at what time, what activity will happen, how to do activities parallelly. Suppose 38 megawatt capacity of Pochemma, some name I forgot. Gandhi Pochemma, what is that? What is the name of the pump house? Beta? Gandhi Pochemma. Not Pochemma. Part of Kaleshwaram pump house. Anyway, Annaram Medicat or something. Okay, that pump house, very heavy capacity. You understand, 30 to 40 megawatt is like 30 villages power supply. 1 megawatt will be feeding to at least 3,000 houses of a big village, big panchayat. So 30 villages power supply is consumed by one pump. Understand, such a big capacity which can lift one sea and put to another sea if you give 10 years time. If you give 10 years time, it will shift one small sea, Bay of Bengal, into another Bay of Bengal. Such a capacity. But time is long, 10 years, no? Okay? Because each second, 20,000, 30,000 cubic meters per second. Each cubic meter is how many liters? Each cubic meter is how many liters? 1 cubic meter of water. How many liters?
6 liters.
1 liter.
Why is not clear, beta? Why is not clear? 1 cubic meter.
100 liters, sir.
1 cubic meter of water. How many liters?
28.
1 cubic meter of water. How many
1000
liters?
liters, sir.
Wonderful. Who is that? 1000 liter?
Anyone?
1000 liters, sir.
Manivan, wonderful. 1000 liter. 1 cubic meter per second. 10,000 cusecs. How many water? How much water? Unimaginable, no? Unimaginable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10,000 cusecs per second into 60 per minute into 60 per hour into 24 per day into 365 per year into 10 years. There's big C. Right. That's the vision of KCR. I love him. Okay. I'm not TRS member, okay? My vote is there in Mysore, not here. Okay, let me complete that critical path and close the class today. Okay, beta. I don't want to rush simply PPTs, simply textbook notes. I want to really induce knowledge to your minds of general knowledge, current science related to mechanical engineering. You should know what is Kaleshwaram, you should know what is the capacity of a pump, you should know fluid mechanics, you should know designing without crossing the limits of the borders of the subject. Within the subject, we will discuss. I'll share my great learnings with you when I went to Palestine in 2011, when I went to Turkey in 2011, Istanbul, when I went to training in Israel in the year 2011. I had little experience in some of the advanced mechanical systems used in agriculture, which fetched me name and fame in this area. At least some I'll try to share with you. My knowledge, my wisdom, whatever sweets I got in my dabba, some of the laddus I'll share with you. I want. You will take my laddus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Only 2 people like laddus, others want jalebi or something else. Fine. So several activities would be happening parallelly. Suppose one 38 megawatt pump has to come from Japan. Its motor has to be built by Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Hyderabad. The turbine should be ready from Ramchandrapuram, Hyderabad BHL plant. The governing system must be made in the Haridwar plant of BHL. A heavy crane should be made by Bharat Earth Movers Limited, Mysore or Bangalore, or an electronic system must be made by L&T, their Singapore headquarters or zonal office, or a small relay system should be made by somebody. So that means hundreds of sub-assemblies are made across the globe, geographically far away. Somebody has to coordinate, no? Somebody has to coordinate? Has to coordinate? So a person like me has to coordinate. I was the coordinator for Container Corporation of India in Haryana for the logistic movement of all the refrigerated containers which move across the globe. I was the manager in a container depot in Haryana where only air conditioned, precisely speaking, since you are mechanical engineers, you understand, refrigerated containers at minus 40 degrees centigrade, carrying a goods train carrying 40 such containers with refrigeration into 20 tons of meat in each container. So that was my job weekly thrice. How much meat we are exporting from India? Big quantity, correct, no? And another 3 days, we supply fruits and vegetables across the globe, at least to Southeast Asian countries. From Delhi dry port to Mumbai port, from there it goes by ship. Whenever possible, I'll share all my experience of Israel, Palestine and Turkey, definitely my experience in North India. especially something related to mechanical engineering and project management. So in project management, critical path management is very important because hundreds of activities happen parallelly across the globe at several geographical locations, not connected by road, not connected by rail, by flight, or by sea. Somebody has to manage entire schedule, which item, when it will come. Suppose an assembly, turbine assembly, blades are not ready, all others are ready, no purpose. A car assembly, entire thing is ready, but a driver's seat is not ready. Engine is ready, governing system, electronic control, speed control, this and that gadget is ready, but a driving seat is not ready. Will the car go onto the road?
No.
So somebody has to do that critical path management. Which activity has to be controlled when? So that fellow will be the key controller. Okay. In case of Kaleshwaram project, who can be the key controlling engineer? Can you guess? Don't say KCR. He's not an engineer. Key controlling engineer. Key person for controlling. Controller. One controller. Who can be? Don't know. The chief engineer of the major irrigation will be the chief engineer of the major irrigation department of government of Telangana will be the key controller for critical path. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go to the next one. So far clear every point?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything you feel like reading many times for the purpose of exam, these 5 points? Do you think? For the purpose of exam, do you think you can directly write the exam, or you need to write again and again and again these things? Whatever I said,
Yes, we can directly write.
you can, because the kind of examples I gave you, all these are fit to write in the exam. Whatever I speak in the class, you are eligible, or my words are eligible to be written in the exam, which will fetch marks. Whatever example I give you, okay? Don't write bad teacher story or yesterday story. Only these things you write. Don't write Ramesh Babu sir has got a patent. Don't write. Nobody will give you marks. You write what is scope. When you write scope, you write. Taking an example of Kaleshwaram project or unarmed Medigadda barrage, take the example and write. Right? Somebody should be co-host with me. Then I will be more delivering more better things in short time, more productivity, more efficiently. Anyway, one thing I have eliminated, that is taking of attendance and wasting time. That is taken care by software now. But the minimum time the student becomes eligible is 30 minutes. You must be online 30 minutes at least, so that now your attendance is automatically recorded by my software. No more screenshot required. Thank you. First day, Rahul and Manivannan helped me. You are able to see your CMS attendance nowadays?
No, sir.
Why? You see, no? I have put the attendance of day before yesterday in the CMS from my software directly. Error proof.
Sir. We'll check, sir.
Okay, better. Okay. We have still 8 minutes. What is the class timing, Rahul? Manivannan?
10 to 10:50, sir.
Oh, time is up. I have unnecessarily eaten 2 minutes extra from your minds. Okay. Then we will close them. If you have any questions, you can ask me, please. Those who don't have any questions can leave the class. Those who have questions, those who want to talk to me, you can definitely discuss now. Any discussion you feel that helpful for your friends, let your friends listen. If you want to talk to me personally alone, there is no such thing secret between you and me. You means whoever is interested to talk to me. I believe in transparency, for which I got an award in DRDO, being transparent, most vigilant officer. Okay, most vigilant, most transparent. They gave me 3,000 rupees cash award in the year 2003. That was a big amount that time. For the transparency. That means whatever I talk to Manivannan, same thing I talk to somebody else also. Something I talk to Rahul, I talk to Shruti the same, or Hindu the same. There will not be anything secrecy, okay, which I believe hindrance for the love between teacher and students. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Transparency. You should be transparent with your mother, father, friend, teacher. That will become your strength. Yeah, please ask me. If you have any questions of today's class, you can ask me. Any questions? Rahul, Manivannan, encourage your classmates to ask questions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any questions personally other than the class? Professionally. Here, personally means don't ask me, sir, how many kids you have got, what they are studying. Neither I will be interested to know how many kids your siblings, etc. Okay? But definitely for all kind of professional and personal development, personality development, you can contact me. Not only teaching this project management, I also teach human values for BBA students, human skills for MBA students, leadership for MBA students, entrepreneurship for MBA students, technology development for MTechs. I also teach online to the students free of cost on personality development. So whenever somebody feels like talking to me, please talk to me. No issue. If you have a problem in your project, talk to me. If you have a problem in pending subject, talk to me. I am very good in thermal engineering. I am reasonably good in machine design. I rate myself excellent in production management and operations. I rate beyond excellency in refrigeration and air conditioning, production planning and control, production and operational management. I don't know nothing more than this. Any of these subjects helpful to you? R&AC, POM, PPC, thermal engineering, heat and mass transfer. These areas I am very, very strong. All my research work is there in that area. If anybody got a backlog in a particular subject, they are seriously not getting anybody for tuition, I'll teach them free of cost online during this COVID period. Just fix appointment with me, I'll help you. Okay, beta? Right then, if no questions, bye-bye. Yes? Bye-bye.
Yes.